The Poly Edge V400 Series phones can effortlessly handle multiple calls with reliable multi-line office phone systems. You get 8 line keys supporting up to 32 lines, features, and contacts on a 3.5-inch color display. Let's look at what comes in the box. The components include the phone base itself, a desk and table stand, Ethernet cable, handset and handset cord, and finally, a quick start guide. Let's start by looking at the various ports on the phone and get things set up. On the right side of the Edge 400 series, you'll notice a cover that can be opened. This is where you plug in an expansion module once the phone is installed. The HP Poly Edge V400 series supports up to 1 expansion module. Now on the left side of the Edge V400, there is a Kensington lock port that would allow you to lock the phone in place. As we turn the phone over, let's review the different ports. Moving from left to right and top to bottom, the first port is for a USB-C connection to a PC. Using an optional USB-C cable, you can use your Edge V400 series phone as a speaker and microphone for your PC. Next, we have a LAN port that will connect to the network and internet. The next port is a LAN pass-through port. This is used where you need to hardwire a device at your desk and you only have 1 LAN drop in your area. On the second row, we have a port for an optional power supply. Next to that, there's an RJ11 that is used for certain models of headsets that require a wired connection to the phone. Finally, the last port is for the telephone handset coiled cable. Now let's get that set up now. On the back of the phone, plug the long flat end of the RJ11 cable into the phone port. Feed the cable through the channel locks. Now take the handset and plug the short flat end of the RJ11 cable into the handset base itself. Now to install the stand, turn the phone over and then slowly insert the stand into the defined stand receptacles. Please note, you have the ability to put the phone at 2 different angles based upon your preference and lighting in your space. To do so, simply remove the stand, flip over, and reinsert. The Edge V400 series can also be mounted with the optional wall mount. The final step is to plug in the LAN cable to the appropriate network port that is providing power over Ethernet. If your network is not providing power, you can also use the optional power supply or power the unit over USB-C. You may need to go through a series of startup screens, or your phone will be provisioned by your network provider. For additional information, please visit hp.com.